Now in this session, I'm going to further present you some more tips and tricks like how you can do your data analysis more professional way. So again, if I just move my cursor at the bottom, and there are two segments in the VS Code. One is the code and second one is the markdown. So if I just click this time in the markdown, so markdown in a simple words will be helping us to create some headings so that when we will be presenting our data analysis script with some other people or with our clients, so they will be able to understand about what exactly each and every single command functionality. So I'm just specify here the hash sign, and after that now this is the time we need to do some more descriptive analysis, and I'm just specify here like how to perform descriptive analysis. And after that, again, you just need to click on the control, holding the key in your keyboard from control and enter. And now I am able to create my first markdown. Markdown is helping us for understanding our analysis. So in the previous sessions, we just like perform the df dataframe.info, which will be helping for understanding the complete dataset information. And you can also specify the markdown here, just like understand the dataset information. So again, if I just holding the control key and enter, this is how I am able to create the beautiful headings now. Make sure that the df which we created last time, this is the variable. We just fetching all the dataset information in the local variable. And with the help of that variable, we are using for all our upcoming operations. So here at this time, now I need to again click here in the code section, and after clicking the code section, this times we need to perform the descriptive analysis. So I just need to write down df dot describe, and after that I just need to specify the parenthesis, and again either you can click here in the play button or either you can click here in the control enter, and this is how easily a one line command will be able to give us the complete information for all the columns, like how many means and standard deviations, minimum 25%, 75%, and the survive, P class, age, and the rest of the columns information about their all the statistical data analysis. And this will give us the more information about the people, average number of people who are survived, and also we will be able to get the minimum and the 25% percentile, 50% percentile, and very easily within a one line command we will be able to get all the statistical information.